to another episode of Siaslurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. I'm so excited to check out my t-shirt, or aka my sweater. Send nudes, it's so cute, I love it. Today we're making a Japanese dish called Yakisoba. Basically, it's fried noodles, there's vegetables in it, there's pork belly in it. You can even make it vegetarian. It's really up to you. It's super easy to make and it only takes a few minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell at the top so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!